Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the 5F Freight app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. 5F Freight is a digital freight and load board app developed by 5F OTR, designed for independent truckers and small fleet operators. It connects drivers directly to shippers, bypassing traditional brokers, and allows users to book loads, manage documents, track settlements, and handle dispatch, all within a single platform. The app also offers in-house dispatch support, competitive rate transparency, and a lease-to-own program for equipment. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the ability to book loads instantly without middlemen, which can save time and increase revenue. The interface is considered user-friendly, and the ability to view settlement details and documentation in real time is especially helpful for owner-operators. The 5F community model also appeals to drivers looking for stability without losing independence, with several drivers mentioning reliable support from dispatchers and the freedom to plan their own schedules. However, the app does have its share of criticisms. Some users report issues with delayed payments or disputes over rate confirmations. Others mention inconsistent communication with dispatch or difficulty getting quality loads in certain regions. The lease program, while helpful to some, has been flagged by a few drivers as having high deductions or unclear terms. Additionally, the app may not be ideal for drivers who prefer complete autonomy without organizational oversight. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the 5F Freight app may be worth using if you're an independent trucker looking for an all-in-one freight solution with support, load transparency, and flexible work opportunities. It stands out for eliminating brokers, offering in-app settlement visibility, and supporting drivers with lease-to-own options. However, if you're cautious about payment clarity, dispatch communication, or prefer working fully solo, it might not align with your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.